Good morning. It is going to be about 80 degrees today, so I'm actually wearing a dress. My kids are going to be like, "Are we going somewhere fancy, Mom?" No, we're not going anywhere fancy. It's just going to be hot, real hot. So I'm dressed for the weather. A little chilly right now, though. I can feel a little goosebumps, but it won't take long for it to heat up. So we have finished working on the back of the house. We started taking down the staging, but we had a couple of little details to tie up. Up at the very top of where the squirrel run meets the dormer. So we did 2 of them, 3 of them last night, but then we had to go have dinner with my grandmother, which is great. We got to go have dinner with my grandmother. So we have one more we have to finish tonight. Then we can take the staging down. And then we just have one more side to the house. I will show you that side and we'll talk about it for a minute because it's going to be a little tricky. So you may say, why is this side of the house going to be tricky? It looks pretty cut and dried. There's no windows. It's going to be tricky because you see we have this bump out right here, which is supposed to blend into the house when we add the house on. And so in order to put staging here, right here, that sticks out 3 feet. That bump out sticks out 3 feet. So in order to put the staging up, it's just gonna be a little tricky. There's kind of staging, and I can't remember what it's called right now, but it's one where you've got 2 vertical lines that you put up, and then you put boards across them. Unfortunately, that won't get us all the way to the peak. So River has a plan with the pole staging, which is the same staging that we used over here. He says he thinks he's figured out a way that we can use it here as well. We will be able to do most of it, or a lot of it, just on the ground and with a ladder. However, this peak is really high, and as you can see, we have about 4 feet of foundation showing down here. So that's a really, really tall ladder to put up. And that's the problem, is reaching the peak. So we're probably going to do as much as we can before we put staging up there. Then you will have to figure out how to put staging up and make it work. feel?
Good.
Oops. Sorry. Done. Woo. River is working on the last side of the dormer. And then all we have left is the north gable. It's a bit of a relief. So close to done. So grateful. Thank goodness. We got the last side of the dormer done. So the back side of the house is officially completely sided. So that's where we're at with that. Moving on to the next phase of finishing the siding. And then we have the barn, which we have siding for the barn. We just also will put that up, I think, and then just be done with siding. Hallelujah. I've had enough siding to last me a really long time. It's just the project that goes on and on and on. Like, I am so grateful. The house looks so good. And I'm tired of siding. Because we've mostly only been able to work at it at nights in short periods of time, like 2 to 3 hour blocks, mostly 2 hour blocks. And then it's like, get everything out, do the work, clean everything up. It's just a lot. It feels like a lot. And you'll never believe it. It is supposed to rain again on Saturday morning. It's supposed to rain until like 1 or something on Saturday. Again. It's just, it's too much with the rain every weekend. I'm telling you, I'm done with the rain. If we could have had like 4 weekends, big weekends in a row, we could have just finished this house in like a month, maybe a little longer because of like this tricky side. But honestly, once we get up there, if you add up all the hours that we've actually worked on the siding, it's not that much. It's just that it's been spread out over so many days because of the rain that it feels like it's taken us forever. So anyway, I'm over the rain, but the rain is not done with us yet. So once again, it's supposed to rain Saturday morning. Super bummed about that, but it will be okay. We'll manage. So I hope you enjoyed this little update on the backside of the house. So excited that it's done. Now, when we add the porch, which I'm actually standing on what will be our back porch, which is currently our tent platform. When we put this on the back of the house, we will have to like take off some siding to put up the supports for the roof when we're ready to do the roof and put it back up. But we decided the most important thing for insurance purposes was to just get the siding on and worry about making those changes later, because taking off vinyl siding is not that hard. So that's our plan. We're gonna just go with it, and then take the pieces of siding down that we need to take down in order to put up the roof. So that project is like a fall project, because like I said, we need to finish siding the barn, and we need to split all the wood, which will probably take us a couple weekends. It's way more wood than we split the first time because we're crazy like that. And we want to go have some fun this summer. River and Trace have lots of climbing plans this summer, and also plans with the kids to go climbing. And if I am feeling energetic and can breathe, then I will probably also go climbing. Maybe not every time, but I miss it. I do miss it. So I'll probably go climbing too. I haven't climbed in 2 years. So, but it'll be fun, and it'll be beautiful out when we go. So I'm here for it. Anyway, hope you guys are doing well and enjoying the warmer weather. There's a mosquito buzzing around my head. And we will see you again in the next video. We have some fun garden plans coming up too. Hope to see you soon.